ABC animals.
A
is for
alligator. B
is for
bear. C
is for
cat. D
is for
dog. E
is for
elephant. F
is for
fox. G
is for
goat. H
is for
horse. I
is for
iguana. J
is for jaguar.
K
is for
koala. L
is for
lion. M
is for
meerkat. N
is for nightingale. O is for
orangutan. P
is for
panda. Q
is for quail. R is for
rabbit. S
is for
squirrel. T
is for
tiger. U
is for uakari.
V
is for vulture.
W
is for
wolf.
X is for X-ray tetra. Y is for yak.
Z
is for
zebra.